Have you ever wondered why internal and external linking on your website is as important as the backlinks it has? Well, let's unravel this mystery together. Internal and external linking are not just components of your website design, they're key elements of your search engine optimization strategy. Yes, you heard that right. SEO is not just about keywords and content, but also about how these elements are connected through links. When done effectively, linking can significantly increase your website's visibility on search engine results. But that's not all. Linking also plays a crucial role in improving the user experience. A well-linked website allows users to navigate effortlessly, find relevant information easily, and stay engaged for longer. And remember, a happy user is a repeat user, and more importantly, a potential customer. Well, to understand this, we need to delve into what internal and external linking actually are. First, we tackle internal linking. But what is it exactly? Simply put, internal linking is the process of connecting one page of a website to another page on the same site. Imagine it as a spider web, where each strand leads to another part of the web. In this case, each strand is a link, and the parts of the web are different pages. Now, why is it important? A well-structured internal linking system serves a couple of major functions. Firstly, it helps users navigate the site. Think of it as a roadmap that guides visitors from one page to another, providing them with relevant and additional information. Secondly, it keeps users engaged. The longer a user stays on your site, the better it is for your site's reputation. Lastly, it enhances page authority. Search engines like Google use internal links to understand the content of your site, which can improve your site's visibility and search results. So, internal linking is all about creating a well-connected web of pages within your own website. Now that we understand internal linking, let's move on to external linking. In the simplest terms, external linking involves creating a link on your website that points to a page on a different website. It's like making a bridge from your digital island to another, creating a network of interconnected information nodes. But why bother building these bridges? Well, external links can significantly boost your website's credibility. When you link to reputable sources, it shows that your content is well-researched and trustworthy. Moreover, search engines like Google value external links. They see them as a vote of confidence from one site to another, which can increase your website's visibility in search engine results. Not to mention, external links can drive more traffic to your site. When other websites link back to you, their visitors become potential visitors to your site too. Therefore, external linking is a way to connect your website with the rest of the online world, enhancing its credibility and reach. So, we've explored internal and external linking. But what are the key takeaways here? Let's wrap it all up. First and foremost, both internal and external linking are pivotal for enhancing a website's visibility in the digital landscape. They help search engines understand the structure and content of your website, leading to improved search rankings. Secondly, they are instrumental in providing an optimal user experience. Internal links guide visitors through your website, helping them discover more content and reducing bounce rates. External links, on the other hand, offer additional relevant information, demonstrating the value you're offering to your audience. Lastly, these linking strategies build credibility. A well-linked website with quality internal and external links signals authority and trustworthiness to both users and search engines. In essence, internal and external linking should be considered as vital as backlinks in a website's SEO strategy. Remember, in the world of SEO, a well-linked website is a well-loved website, so keep linking.